is your name. Taking my sin, my cross, my shame, rising up again, bless your name.
Our ever beloved school principal, Madam Imelda C. Falcon, which is, I think, who is, I think, not around. To our year level chairman, Mrs. Jocelyn Cashao, to the ESCOM, and here we are again to celebrate a very special day for each and every one of us. We are here to build friendship with everyone, right? And today, hopefully, we will be knowing each other better than before by showing the abilities and the talents that we have in ourselves. I'll start this celebration with a smile on our faces. Well, I'm pretty sure that we would end this better than how we started it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this 2012 second year level induction and acquaintance party. Thank you, and once again, good afternoon.
Here. Welcome and good afternoon. So my dear students, with me are 4 programs. So I already came from the gymnasium where the grade 7 students are waiting. So they were all holding. So we should respect one another. Do not get the things of others without permission. And the 4th one, according to the regional director, is honesty. So until the very end of time, honesty is still the best policy. If we see things left by our classmates, be sure to return this thing because that is not ours. I don't like you to go to the principal's office and let me help because your cell phone is lost. It is lost in your classroom, so why do you bother the principal? So it has to be returned because it is not ours. So while we are here, you know already what is your job as students. What is the job of students? Alright, from the word student, which is to study. To study. Therefore, let us enjoy our studies with our friends, but bear in mind that your main goal is to acquire education. But while acquiring education, let us make it enjoyable with our friends and with our teachers. So once more, after my talk, I will be going to the gym. So I'm sorry I cannot stay with you long. The 4th year MC, I have to tell you this in advance. The MC of the 4th year announced, she told us, well, it's too bad we have, this will be our last acquaintance party because we will be graduating. It is true, they will be graduating. My dear second year students, like the 4th year, your principal will also be graduating because I will be until September only. My time has come to leave the Department of Education. So, enjoy your party this afternoon. make it peaceful and fruitful. And I hope you will all be, in the real sense of the word, acquainted with each other, acquainted with your teachers. So thank you very much for the invitation and good afternoon.
Speak, what's up, what's up? Yo, what's up? Anita, tak, ang pasture ay magagaling from SSC. From SSC. Pininyog sayon, ang pasture bildihon. Sulayin ninyo, kamuray kakuyun. Hey, pasture is the best among the rest. Pasture is the best. Oops. We mean better than the best. Meron ba kayong kilala? Pasture ang pangalan ng seksyon nila. Talentado, magaling, matalino pa. Boom, shakalaka. Ha! We are from PA. We are from PASC, EUR. We are the PASC, EUR, IFIC. We are the PASC, EUR, IFIC. Oy, hibaw baka mo na kami Pasturifics mga batik, mapapantastic, malipayon, la 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 la, la 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 la, ang tagang pastor, kami mo babay na, kay gutumin na lamig na mupakas, ang Darwin ang aming tatak, isinilang kami upang kayo mapasindat, pausman ay pumatak, Darwin ay di babagsak, sabay-sabay tayo umindak. Ha! You cannot beat our fame, we are this year's best team, you better watch this year, feel the dread and fear. Can you feel it? Yeah. Can you feel the heat? We'll be doing our best and we will compete. Can you feel it? You will compete. Beat 1, beat 2, beat 3. We will be so proud to occupy this crowd. You better go home now and take your early cloud. We are the best among the areas, the rest, among the rest. We are the best, Darwin is the best among the rest, among the rest. To the left, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the center.
And happy for sharing to us your God-given talents and for making use of those God-given talents, no? So, a bed of roses to each one. Okay? So, to the newly inducted officers, alright, my warmest congratulations. In the Hulom, Aray Palipunan, and other club officers, and also to the SSG officers. Alright, I am referring this to the year level representatives for leading the student talent contest and power games to be done. And so, let's enjoy the rest of the hours this afternoon, but until 5 p.m. only. Pwede ba? Alas 5 ba? Okay. So I think the God talent are only 5. Alright. So, the rest of the hours, we still have I think, what's your time now? So you can still enjoy, no, the games and the God talent contest. Okay? So, Once again, good afternoon, everyone.
You are the music in me. You know the words once upon a time. Make you listen. There's no reason. When you dream, there's a chance you'll find a little laughter or happy ever after. Your harmony to melodies echoing inside my candle. Single voice above the noise and like a common thread.
You're pulling me.
When I hear my favorite song, I know that we belong. You are the music in me,
It's living in all of us.
and it's what I see because you are the music in me. Na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah. You are the music in me. Na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah. You are the music in me. I know that we belong. You are the music in me.
It's living in all of us.
And it's what I see because you are the music in me. Na 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 na, na na na